Hello and welcome to the course SAS Programming by Pact Publishing. I am Aditi Pratap Sampat. I have done Masters in Statistics by Education. I have worked extensively on various analytical platforms during my varied work experience with G Capital, Oracle, Morgan Stanley, and ICICI. Coming to the course overview, Section 1 is Introduction to SAS Programming. This section gives an introduction to SAS as a programming language having wide usage in the analytical sphere. Section 2 is about getting a feel of the data. Section 3 is on using data and proc statements in SAS. Section 4 is on using arithmetic, logical and comparison operators in SAS. Section 5 is on enhancing output in SAS. Here we would be learning about titles, labels, ODS, HTML, graphs, and the tabulate procedure. Section 6 is on using SQL in SAS. Section 7, which is on using dates in SAS. The bare minimal hardware and software requirements for learning this course are Windows laptop or desktop with very good internet connectivity. The best way to study this course is listen thoroughly to the video, take advantage of the digital mode of stopping, pausing, and rewinding, do the example taught in the video, understand thoroughly before moving on to the next topic, seek help whenever required. Let's commence this course.